any brand that isn't talks about nailing digital marketing, one strategy that has remained constant for all is YouTube. See, what everyone gets is that content sells, but what no one pays much attention to is consistency. But how to bring about that consistency? How much content to create? How do I deal with bandwidth issues related to video? Hey, don't worry, we have found just the perfect tool for you. Repurposing video content is one great way to ensure consistency and ace this game. Welcome to the Opus Clip walkthrough. Today we'll explore how this powerful AI video tool can revolutionize your content creation process. To get started, simply upload your video, whether it's a podcast, tutorial, or any other content that you want to repurpose. Preferably, it should be a long video that you have shot. It provides 6 key features. Talking about the first feature, AI Curation. This tool turns your video into captivating short clips, unforgettable hooks, irresistible highlights, all crafted for viral success. Next is AI Virality Score. It predicts a score to show the virality potential of each short clip. So now you have a secret sauce to virality. Isn't that great? The third one is AI CoPilot. Take the wheel with AI CoPilot. Pick exact clip times or use keywords for focused, customized clipping. Your content, your way. Fourth is the active speaker detection. The tool's predictive tech keeps you and guests center framed even on the move. Faces in focus always. Fifth comes the AI keyword highlighter. Here is my favorite thing about the tool. It spots key phrases and highlights them, boosting watch time by 65% on average. Elevate your content today. And lastly, AI Emoji Generator. Who doesn't like a subtle plug of nice emoji within your video? With Opus Clip, outsource this task of finding the relevant emojis. What else? Nothing. Just download these clips in high quality, optimize for platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Reels. So, elevate your content creation game with Opus Clip, your shortcut to compelling shareable clips. And ace your YouTube marketing game. We'll be adding more such videos to these series and bring to you the latest and tricks in YouTube marketing. Till then, comment down below what else you would like to know specifically about YouTube marketing. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Mobile App Daily. Oh, bye-bye.